Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you add money to PayPal from credit card. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up PayPal, log into your PayPal account. As you may have noted, like PayPal does not really let you to add money through cards or whether your credit card or any card. So it doesn't let you. So it's only uses bank accounts. So if you want to add through your credit card, then what we can do is you can actually send a request, a payment request to yourself. Okay, send it to yourself. Like for example, click on send and request, and then once you get to send and request, and then go to the request tab here. So what you're going to do, I'm going to request a payment from myself, which is I'm going to use a payment. I'm going to send a payment request to myself using to an email address that's not associated to my PayPal ID. So make sure to use your alternate email ID or your second email address that is not associated to your current PayPal ID. All right, so I'm using my second email, so I'm just going to use that. All right, and then I'm going to click on next. So select that, and then I'm going to add in the amount that you wish to add to your PayPal. So I'm going to select that. All right, and then click on request now. This will now has sent a request to my email ID here. So let me open up my email. So I'm going to open it. All right. All right, okay, so that's my email. So let me load up. All right, yep, there you go. So now, so this is the amount that this is the request that I just sent to myself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this payment. I'm going to make this payment using my credit card. All right, so what I'm going to do, so when you get to this page here, don't log in, do not log in, because you're going to make this payment as a different as someone else. All right, so don't log in. So instead of login, click pay as a guest. So click on pay as the guest and then just pay it using your credit card. So once you're done with the process, once you've done paid, so what happens? Money will be the funds will be added to your PayPal balance. So in that way, you can add money from your credit card to your PayPal. So this is the alternate workaround we have, as we can't directly add money from credit cards. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.